what's going on, Ski Rider Nation? I just got off of Lake Tarpon, doing some freshwater riding, putting some final hours on the skis as we break them in, but got a call from my buddy Zac Perry from ABC Action News and Taste and See Tampa Bay, and he's filming a great piece down at St. Pete Beach, Don Cesar, and he needs a couple guys on some skis, and I told him, well, of course, we can make it happen. So I rounded up Andy Hodgson, I got Luke Skiwalker, Shan Sharp, and Austin. Gonna put Shan on the RX-TX, I'll be on the GTX, and Andy's got his RX-TX, and we're gonna ride out there, film a great piece on how beautiful St. Pete Beach is, and you guys are gonna join us through this lens right here. We're heading over to Dunedin Causeway. We're gonna ride from Dunedin Causeway out to the Gulf, and all the way up to the Don Cesar, where we'll meet Zac Perry. Anyhow, let's get started. I've got to ride over to Dunedin Causeway, and we're gonna launch the skis. It's 10 a.m. and we've got to be to the Don Cesar by 10:45. I think we can make it. Let's go. We'll stage, and then you get in front of us and you'll fly backwards. All right, guys, we're out here filming with Zac Perry. He's got the drone up in the air. Oh, we're getting wet, baby. We got some drone shots. Here we go, nice and easy. Did we get the shot?
Absolutely.
I think we got the shot.
Good morning, everybody. Go time.
We're at the Don Cesar filming. Got a couple Sea-Doos out here filming with Zac Perry. Zac,
man,
did we get the shot?
Absolutely. We were ripping that drone all around you guys. That looked epic.
Oh,
So,
boy. Wow, look at that. St. Pete Beach.
that's right.
Well, guys, we're out here with Zac Perry, and just got finished filming, having a great morning. Don Cesar in the background, the infamous, iconic, historic Don Cesar. And look at this beautiful beach. Look at this water. Look at this. The infamous Don Cesar. All right, guys, so we started out at Dunedin Causeway and launched. We rode up the Gulf of Mexico all the way down to the Don Cesar to meet up with my good buddy, Zac Perry from ABC Action News, and did some filming for a big segment he has coming out on St. Pete Beach and how beautiful the area is, and just showcasing what Florida has to offer. But great ride. You guys just got to see some of the drone footage. We're gonna head back up the coast, heading north now, and I think Andy's gonna take us into some of the inside channels. We're just gonna go exploring and have some fun, and as always, you guys are coming with us through this lens right here. All right, we are heading back to Dunedin Causeway. here doing some training. Should be somebody rappelling on the back here shortly. There they go. John's Pass, beautiful area. Great spot to come get some fuel, eat lunch. They got Hooters over here, Bubble Gum, Shrimp Factory, all that good stuff. Here at John's Pass, they have all kind of stuff to do. Restaurants, souvenir shops, megabyte shark exploration, rentals, boat rental, tours, you name it, they got it. Beautiful area to come visit. This is John's Pass. Here comes a parasailing boat. Get out there and do some parasailing. Gorgeous area. Active every day of the week. You got Hooters down here. You got Bubba Gump. And look at here, we got some dolphins. Let's see if they come back up. There they go. Dolphins are always out here, guys. Let's see, RXP versus RXT. And go. We made it back to HQ, guys. What a great day. Filming, riding, hanging out with good people. What it's all about, baby. Get out here, create memories, and explore Florida.